Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss in Civics Unit 6 about road safety. This has to follow by each and every person. This is very important. While you are crossing the road, while you are driving, so while you are just using the pedestrians, by that time, what are the rules and regulations you have to follow that we are going to study. Now look at the learning objectives, what we are going to study in this chapter. To understand the increase of road accidents in our country. As you all know very well, road accidents are more in number due to rash driving, drunken drive, negligence in driving, very high speed, then improper driver training, then overlooking the other vehicles, non-stop long driving. Due to that, the road accidents are getting. So these are the reasons you are finding over there. So to know the causes of road accidents, we are going to study. To follow the road safety rules, what are the rules have been provided by the government. Let me go to the introduction first. What is given in introduction? In this lesson, we will learn about a road accident refers to any accident involving at least a vehicle occurring on a road open to public transport and in which at least one person is injured or killed. So intentional acts, that is murder or suicide, and natural disasters are excluded from the road accidents. So it is not coming into account for the road accidents. Which are the things are not coming? Murder, suicides, and natural disasters deaths will not come into account. Road accidents, these are the leading cause of the death by injury and the 10th leading cause of all deaths globally. An estimated 1.2 million people are killed in road crashes each year, and as many as 50 million people are injured. Now look at this. Do you know matter what is given the important event? With over 130 deaths annually, India has the worst road accident rate worldwide. What are the major reasons of the road accidents? So look at this. Drunk and drive. During the drunken drive, they are taking a high speed and improper driving training. And here negligence, alachyapadutudal. In driving, I know everything I can do. Like that they are taking a rash driving. So overlooking the other vehicles. Whether this vehicle is coming or not, after seeing that, they have to see straight to the road and the rules and regulation to pass the right and the left through the mirror, and the non-stop long driving. So these are the major reasons of road accidents. Look at this, another important do you know matter? Every 3 minutes a child is killed in an accident in the world. What are the main causes of death by the road accidents, which includes the drunken drive? How many percentage of people are doing the road accidents? Nearly 40 percentage of person drunk and drive people are making accidents. Speeding, rashes, so 24 percentage. Car boom in India, 16 percentage. Inefficient law enforcement, 15 percentage, and less use of helmets and seat belts. Nowadays, we are facing a pandemic period. We are using even the face mask. This is necessary to survive our life. Including helmets and seat belts, you have to wear your face mask also to control yourself, not to get any infectious. Now the point number 2 is distractions to the driver. The people are those who are sitting in front of the driver. When the driver is taking a long drive, they should not sleep in front of the drivers. There should be at least a minimum controversy should be there. So you should not distract the driver simply speaking and disturbing while he's concentrating on the roadsides. Red light jumping is another important matter. Overtaking in a wrong manner. When the vehicle is in front of you, you want to cross the vehicle or you are trying to keep a race. So that overtaking, it is in a wrong manner. Due to that also, people are coming into accident account. So look at this, top 10 cities by number of road accidents in 2016. Look at which district is city is very high in level. Chennai. Number 1 in Chennai, where we are surviving. Delhi in the second place. It's our capital of our India. Bangalore, it's in Karnataka. Indore, Kolkata, Bhopal, Mumbai, Jabalpur, Jaipur, Hyderabad. So these are the top 10 cities by number of road accidents. Now at present level, it will be more in number. How many cases are getting died? Now look at this, different factors of road accidents. Different factors to the road accidents. Drivers, pedestrians, passengers, vehicles, road conditions, weather conditions. These are the different factors to the road accidents. யாரால் road accidents ஆக்கப்படுகிறது? Because of the drivers, because of the pedestrians, the passengers, those who are traveling, because of the vehicles, then road conditions also one of the major reason, and the weather condition depends on that. Due to the fog and the mist, we are unable to see the vehicles in front, what is the red light or yellow light, what is blinking, we are unable to see that. Due to that, the factors road accidents are causing. Now let me know the drivers, what they are just taking. Overspeeding, rash driving, violation of rules. You know very well, this is the speed you have to run. 40, 60, 30, it's already given. Instructions are given in the roads itself. In this area, accidental prone zone area. So you have to cross very limited meters, kilometers only speed. And violation of rules. Failure to understand the signs. What are the symbols have given, right or left, then to finding the difficult in red, green and orange. So it's a fatigue. And the alcohol. Due to that, drivers, they are making a road accidents. Number 2 is the pedestrians. That is பாதசாரி, நடப்பவர்களுக்கு மட்டும். Carelessness, கவனக்குறைவோடு நடப்பது. எங்கேயோ பார்த்துட்டு we are just watching to run. Illiteracy, that is the inability to read and write. So what is the instructions are given by the government, they are unable to go through that. Due to that, many accidents you are causing. While you are crossing at wrong places, jaywalkers, that is disregard of traffic rules. Whatever may be, the rules are there, no, we are not going to follow, we will cross like that. So due to this, pedestrians also, road accidents are crossing. Passengers, projecting their body parts outside vehicles. While we are traveling in the bus or in a trip, what you used to do, we want to show hi, hello, hi to the others. So you are keeping your head outside or hands outside and the body parts, that is outside the vehicles, talking to the drivers, lightening and boarding vehicles from the wrong side, then traveling on a footboards while you are traveling in a bus, catching a running bus, etc. So the passengers are doing this type of troubles to cause the road accidents. Now look at the vehicles. Failure of brakes or steering while doing in a car race. Tire burst. Insufficient headlights. Overloading. So all this, it will cause a road accident. Road conditions. Wherever you go, because of due to high transportation facilities, people started to run with the 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, 3-wheelers and everywhere. So we can find out the road conditions in a very poor level. Potholes, damaged roads, eroded roads, merging of rural roads with the highways, and illegal speed breakers. Wherever you go, you will find speed breakers. For their wish, they are just trying to do it up. Actually, where it should be there. As per the government, nearby the school, while the children are crossing, there it should be. Wherever your crossing level is there, to stop the limit. Okay, limitation of your speed. For that purpose only they used to give us speed breakers. But illegally people started to do it up with the speed breakers. Then weather conditions due to fog, snow, very heavy rainfall, windstorms, hailstorms, that is even a good or very good in position storms, everything, it's detecting the road accidents. It causes the road accidents. So these are the different factors to the road accidents. Now look at this, the pie chart which is given to you. Breakup of persons which killed by the road use category in 2016. This is a color, the symbol, the key which has used. Now you can see here pedestrian, bicycles, two-wheelers, auto rickshaws, cars, taxis, vans and LMVs, lorries and alike, trucks, buses, other motor vehicles and other animal-drawn vehicles, cycle rickshaws, hand cross and other persons. So this is a pie chart. How many number of percentage have been taken part for all the other breakup of persons killed by the road, which is used in the category of 2016. Now look at the diagram given above and answer the following. Which road use category causes the highest number of deaths? Would you give any three possible reasons? What would you suggest to the related safety rules? Now look at this. Which is the highest one? Look at cars, taxis, vans and LMVs. Because of the overwhelming and rash drivers, they are doing the rash drivings. They are taking a lot of death causes. How could pedestrians save themselves from the road accidents? Now look at that. How could we do? You have to see while you are crossing the pathway. You have to see left and the right wherever you are crossing in the directions. Whether vehicles are coming in a fast or slow or in a long direction, as per that you have to cross. If you are in hurry to cross the road to come to school or to go to the office, what to do? You should be little bit earlier, 5 minutes earlier. You know very well, during the time of a peak period, heavy traffic you can able to identify. So by that time you cannot able to cross very smoothly. So better be 5 minutes earlier to come to the cross the roads. Then direct consequences of accidents. Fatality, that is death, injury, the damage to the property. What are the things it will happen when you are taking an accident in the roads? Either death, then injured, and your property, car or lorry, a two-wheeler, whatever may be, it is also getting damaged. What are the preventive measures for the accidents? Education and awareness about the road safety is must. Then strict enforcement of law. Better try to follow the rules and regulation of the road safety. Engineering, that is vehicle design and the road infrastructure, has to be brought out in a perfect level. Look at the do you know matter. The chances of death by accident can be decreased by 51% with the proper use of seat belt and the helmet. Okay, so please my dears, whenever you are traveling, ask your parents or by you also, whenever you are traveling in a four-wheeler, put the seat belt, and the two-wheeler compulsory helmet you have to wear to protect yourself. Now look at the road traffic deaths worldwide by the sex and the age group 2002. Number of deaths in thousands it is mentioned. Look at the key, male and female, differentiation is given there. Male is a higher in the accident causal one. Now look at the source. WHO, World Health Organization, Global Burden of Disease Project, version 1 in 2002 they have started. Look at the above diagram carefully and answer the following it is given. This is for your general knowledge to prepare. Now look at the above diagram. Which age group tops the number of road traffic deaths worldwide and why? See the diagram, why it is given there. Which age group tops the number of road traffic deaths worldwide? Which age group? 15 to 29. So the male people 15 to 29 age only, creating a lots of problem because of the rash driving, and without seeing any persons in front, they want to cross the roads very easily, right? Give some inference on the striking difference between the number of road accidents, deaths of males and females. So what are the things that's happening in and around? You have to select and give that proper reason by yourself, one of your reason. Okay, now look at the rules to ensure the road safety for the children. Rules to ensure road safety for the children. This is one of your second detail and fourth brief answer. Any 3 points they are asking, so please go through this. It is important for the children to know about the road safety rules and regulations. Here are a few basic road safety rules for the children. Know your signals. You're watching everywhere, signals are there to cross. Red to stop, isn't it? Orange color is there. Get ready to move. When the green signal stop, what happened? You have to start to move with the vehicles or crossing the pedestrians, everyone. So you should know your signals. Then what is the second reason for the rule? Stop, look and cross. Stop wherever you are in the pedestrian side. Two, while you're crossing, look at here and there, right and left, or anywhere where you're crossing, whether vehicles are passing or not. Pay attention. Listen. Pay attention means listen where the horn sound is coming to you. So as per that you have to cross. Don't run on roads. You're running to catch your friends. So please do not run on the roads. Always use sidewalks. The platforms have been provided by the government, right? You have to walk on the side roads only. So never stick hands outside the vehicle. Wherever you are just traveling, please do not stick hands outside. You're keeping one hand outside in the car door back to get a breeze or say tata and hi and everything. So you should not do anything. So never cross the road at bends. Whenever you're finding your zigzag crossing, while you're crossing the roads, the people are coming straight, very fast movement. So they will not stop at all. So you should listen carefully while you're crossing the roads. So don't rush. So you should provide previously 5 minutes before you have to be. Earlier, it is better to stop all these accidents. So keep left always while you're driving. Keep left. Because Indian road safety, it's designed like left hand side only. If it is in a foreign countries, it is in a right. Now here we have in a left. So crossing at zebra line, wherever you want, I want to cross to the shop, you should not do up. That's not the rules. You should cross only at zebra line. These instructions strictly following in the other foreign countries. So here our Indian people also have to follow the same. Then only you can able to protect, you can prevent the roads accidents. Okay, these are the rules to ensure the road safety for the children, not only children, for all it is common. Okay, so please go through the lesson, my dears. You should know the road safety rules and how to prevent yourself while crossing the roads and driving the vehicles. Thank you, my dears.